This is my Summer Waves Elite. It's a 14-foot pool. It's 42 inches deep. I hear so many people going on about the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and how it clears up a pool if it's a little bit cloudy or green. So I've decided to give it a try. Now take it, my pool is in pretty good shape as far as the water, but we'll see how it looks. So it's as simple as just undoing the top to your skimmer, and you have your clean or new Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and putting it in just above your skimmer, above your filter, and you just want to make sure it stays in there, that it doesn't float out. Now how it's supposed to clean is there's a chemical in the Magic Eraser that will actually disperse through the water and actually clean it. Now there's so much water in these pools that the chemical in the Magic Eraser won't hurt anybody. So I'm going to leave this for a day or two and we'll see how it looks and see if it actually works. Alright, so it's been about 2 days since I've cleaned the pool filter, and let's take a look at the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and see if it's actually collected a little bit of the contaminants in the pool. So you can see it is a little bit of an off-white, a little brownish. So this was nice and white. You can see it's a little brown. So let's take a look at this and the pool filter itself, because that was nice and clean when I had originally put this in. So I just turned off the pump, and this does a good job capturing some debris too. This is from a tree just above. And that's what it looks like after 2 days. You can see it's a little bit brown. A little bit of bugs and whatnot caught in between it. So I can clean this again with a garden hose, and I have a video on how to do that. And this will come nice and white again. So this does capture a lot of the contaminants in the pool. It's about the exact same color as the Magic Eraser. So it did turn it a little bit of a off-white color. So this is just showing a side-by-side. Again, this is the one that's been in the skimmer for 2 days. This is a new one. And you can see it did obviously trap a little bit. And I did squeeze out the water that was captured in this, and it did come out a little bit brown. After 2 days with the Magic Eraser, do I think it made much of a difference? Maybe a little bit, but nothing significant. The pool looks to be about the same clarity. Again, it's filled with city water, and it does stay nice and clear. I really don't get a whole lot of green in it. You see a lot of people using the Magic Eraser, their pool's completely green and it clears it up after one night. I think a lot of that has to do with chlorine, your chemicals, and cleaning your filter quite a bit. So do I think the Magic Eraser helps? I'm sure it does a little bit. As you can see, it was white, now it's a little bit brown. I think the big thing in keeping your pool nice and crystal clear is using Socket. That's what I've been using with mine. It's your chlorine, and cleaning your filters. And this is the filter I use. It's the A/C type. Again, you can get them at Walmart. The regular are $13 Canadian for 2. So the big thing is keeping your filter nice and clean. So since I have a couple new filters kicking around, I'm going to install a new filter rather than cleaning the other one. So just install it, you push it down, then you install your skimmer, the filter that captures the larger debris on top of your skimmer. Just a plastic, and then we'll put on the top. And there we go. New filters installed. I'll add some chlorine. Again, I usually use one package a week. It's 454 grams. Again, it's a socket through Walmart. And this is just under $5 a bag. And again, will I try the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser? I probably will again. If I notice the pool getting a little bit cloudy and green, I'll certainly give it another try. Again, there's just a quick picture of how it looks after. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below, as well as any tips. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.